This week on Entertainment Recap, Dream Weekend highlights. Yes, Taurus Riley gets silver certified in the UK. These and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Dream Weekend seems to be the place for party hoppers last holiday weekend. The event host tried to maintain COVID protocols by requesting a negative test no later than 3 days prior to events, and patrons must be fully vaccinated. But did they really maintain it though? Here are some of the highlights.
We only live once. People, we only live once. Everybody want their Dream Weekend. Dream Weekend just start. Play a song down there. Bravo Wonders.
It's a job, and now you're not it. Ain't nobody never stop it. See your belly, never stop it. They want to come to wanting the very people you suck it. It's way beyond the everything.
Just a minute, really rush it, and me have me every matic, and you're shutting at your face, and you're producing at your face.
Hold on, go! See, Jackie, she looking for the long time, me, I watch it. If I know I'm not fair, I make the ball, me have to stop it. She feel me on the time, I said the wicked, me to stop it. If me want her, but then the wickedness, me have to stop it.
I'm 6 enough about 6 if you get me off.
Skin bleaching is tabooed worldwide, but that has not put a damper on this product of fueling its booming business. Dancehall artist Vybz Kartel's common law wife, Tanisha Shorty Johnson, is now among several who have a line under the skin lightening industry. The line, dubbed Boss Lady Skin Lightening, was created to get your face, body, and knuckles light under their own categories.
And you are just 35 years old, where the young girl them get, where bleaching fit you, make your bumper grow. Everything you do, a girl follow you. She in a Jimmy line, that a could be Jimmy.
Congrats to Taurus Riley for getting silver certified in the UK. Singy's feature on Major Laser's and the Ellie Goulding 2015 song Powerful was silver certified in the UK, which means the record has surpassed a sales amount of 200,000 units. Big ups to you, Tarrus.
When you touch me, it's so powerful, I can feel it.
This week's new music goes to Nation Boss with Faith, Chinnaman.
kind of man this? What kind of man this? What kind of man this? See you with the waistline, God, it can't stand this. What kind of man this? What kind of man this? What kind of man this? Point on the waistline, God, him can't start this. They say I hear man, and him not own you.
Come on.
Yes.
You
see him going and say you want me meet?
I tell you man.
What me not see her?
Why? I walk on the fella me either. I tell you.
Boy do, so where you go now?
Not even the boy, can you don't know you. What kind of man this? Oh, him gross so. Bet if I was a man friend, he would have post you. Run with the boy, you know see your body clean. A last step will make you come in on my gym. The way style make you ball and scream now. Point to the hill, What kind of man this? What kind of man this? What kind of man this? See you with the waistline, God, it can't stand this. What kind of man this? What kind of man this? What kind of man this? Point on the waistline, God, it can't stand this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, these individuals. Happy birthday to you. Yes, a birthday shout out goes to Esco. Yes, dancehall producer Esco. And artists too. Can't forget that tuck in your belly. And Chosen, reggae artist Chosen. Yes. Happy birthday. Just always continue to just do work that is great. And guess what? Big up who? You! And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. And remember to just follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Remember, it's PBC Jamaica on all social media platforms. And I have to always thank Air Candy Collection for my lovely earrings. Of course, they always have me booming with the earpiece. And now with the jewelry, I just want to say thank you and follow them at the Air Candy Collection on all social media platforms. And that's about it for this week. I just want to say big up, you!